Nagbabala ka bang mag-apply ng home loan sa BPI? Tara pag-usapan natin yung housing loan application list of requirements ni BPI. Here are the checklist of pre-processing requirements. Number 1 is of course a duly accomplished application form. Number 2 is 2 valid identification cards like PhilCs, SSS, driver's license, passport, etc. If you are locally employed, you will be needing number 1, latest COE, latest 3 months payslip, latest ITR, and authorization letter to verify employment. You may also be needing other income docs like bank statements of payroll account with authorization letter to verify. If your work naman is a commission-based, you will be needing certificate of employment stating commissions received prior year or months or period and commissions receivable, if any. Bank statement where commission is credited with authorization letter to verify. Foreigners naman, Filipino spouse to act as primary borrower. For pensioners, you will be needing certificate of pension with authorization letter to verify, bank statements of pension account with authorization letter to verify, and SSN. For OFWs naman, you will be needing latest contract with authorization letter to verify, proof of bank remittance with authorization letter to verify, details of crewing manager for seafarers, attorney in fact or loan administrator, preferably a next of kin, with their full name, contact details, mailing address, and valid government IDs. For self-employed borrowers, you will be needing valid DTI registration or mayor's permit, latest ITR with audited financial statements, working account 6 months with authorization letter to verify, trade references with complete contact information, authorization letter to conduct trade verification. Additional, for part owners of a partnership or corporation, you will be needing individual ITR, payroll account, where claim salaries are credited with authorization letter to verify. For practicing professionals, you will need your working account with authorization letter, latest ITR with audited financial statements, and clinic or office address with complete contact details. For collateral documents naman, marami-rami to. So, photocopy of owner's duplicate copy of the condominium certificate of title or transfer certificate of title as applicable, photocopy of the updated tax declaration, tax clearance, and tax receipt, signed authorization letter for tax mapping and inspection of property, photocopy of notarized contract to sell or offer to sell from registered owner of property, photocopy of notarized contract to sell, letter of endorsement, official computation sheet from developers, appraisal fee for non-accredited projects or unaccredited projects, non-refundable appraisal fee of 5,000 pesos inclusive of title verification, photocopy of latest statement of account with existing mortgagor, and complete set of building plan, bill of materials, scope of work, or cost estimates for construction loan. So that's it mga kapitbahay. Those are the requirements needed if you will be applying for a BPI housing loan. Medyo marami-rami siya, so might as well prepare, padahan-dahan na yung mga papers or mga requirements so that once you apply is dire-diretso na. So I hope this video helps. If you want more contents like this, please do like and follow and share this to your friends and family or co-workers na gustong mag-apply for BPI housing loan.